Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up and use this EPSON SX525WD printer. This printer you can use it wireless or wired. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up this printer and use it through your mobile phone. Or the first step I need to do is downloading this application on your mobile phone. So after that I need to press menu and flick right till I get set up here, press OK, and after that I need to go on network settings, press OK, go on general network setup, press OK, and put my Wi-Fi's code. So now I'm going to show you how it works. The first thing, if you need to scan stuff or if you want to print it off, first thing I'm going to try and scan this card. I'm going to place it here like this. So after placing it on the scanner or the printer, now I need to go into the app like this. See to scan that card, I need to press scan like this, and here underneath we've got scan, press it. There we go. See, my scanner or my printer is working now. So I've got three options here. If I want to save this on my mobile phone on any file, I can do that. Just how? By pressing this. So I want to save it on my photos, so press that and I press camera roll like this. If I want to send it to any folder, I can do that, but I'm gonna keep it here on my now let's try and see how to print off any document that you've got on your laptop or mobile phone. First thing we need to do is pressing the app and go photos like this. Go to my photos and choose any photo or document that I need to print off. For example, I'll choose this one here. Select it by pressing this one here, and next on the top here. So I'm gonna press here to choose if it's color or white, black and white. So I choose black and white. Done. I need now to hit print here. So I think it's doing it. So as you can see here, I think I've got a problem with my ink. I think I need to replace my cartridge to print the cartridge. If you can see here, I need to change this one M and C. So I'm going to show you now how to replace the cartridges. First step, I need to go on cartridge replacement like this, down, and press OK. Here, this is the box where you can find your cartridges. So we say we already said I've got to replace this one and this one. So all I need to do is just pull it towards me like this and pull it up, and here it is. This is the cartridge, first one, and do the same to the other one. Okay then, I've got the two, so I'm gonna I've got my new replacement. So I'm gonna show you now how to replace it. So always make sure to remove this tape here, this one, but not this one. So as you can see here, it says charging ink, please wait. We need to wait for a little while. So I think after changing or replacing the cartridges, I think what I can see now, I think it's done it. It looks like it's done it. So, oh yeah, this is a brilliant result. See, that's right, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Again, if you don't mind, if you can press like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.